Good afternoon, guys, and you're watching Titan, and I'm your host Nash. Today in the episode, I call it What's in the Box. We have the True Capsule 2. Yes, this baby, it is like half the size of the Mac. Look at it. It's like small. But the price is not small. This thing, if you want to buy it at the retail price, it is about 69.9 SGD. Basically $70. So yeah, just take note of that pricing. And what does it bring to the table? Well, it has Bluetooth 5, QCC 3020, and CVC dual mic noise cancellation, IPX5, and 40 hours of playing time. Alright, so there is the selling point because it's at aptX. They are proud with their mic design. As you can see in the photo, it is able to play quite well, and the casing is fairly other than the noise cancelling and the QCC 3020 is fairly meh design. So without further ado, let's open this up. Alright, so easy as it is, slide it out, and you have the box. Open the box, and there we go. Follow us for more privileges. And they ask you how to charge, and also they say they changed the logo, which I never noticed at all. Alright, so it's oh mama, there is one huge ass case. Wow, that is huge. Alright, so just put aside the casing, and here is the instruction manual, and inside here it has the usual Type C. Yep, Type C, as you can see, it says here Type C. And okay, wait, 1 2 3 4. Okay, there's 4 earbuds, so there's the large and the small type. So yeah, then there's nothing else to see, and I will be back. Okay, so now we are going to see the case. It feels slightly more weighty, and yeah, the casing, the hinge is very weak. And yeah, before we move, we check out the weight. Hello, 55 gram. Yeah, it is not only massive, it is also heavy as well. And let's see individual. Okay, there's a sticker to remove. So individually, it is weigh about 4.8 grams, which is quite typical, but still, like, oh my god, that is huge. That is quite heavy for a case. I mean, like, I'm not that surprised because it's 600 milliamp hours, but I'm still quite impressed how big this is. Okay, now the weight is done, we are going to inspect the case. So as you can see here, it is slightly matte finish, but it's a plastic finish, which is quite smooth. Like, it's quite smooth, not like the Mac, which has more resistance, or like the Truengine 3 SE. But it's more like the Soundpeats Q, where I can like whee. Yeah, same goes for this. Other than that, it looks like a power bank to me. To be honest, it really reminds me of power bank also, but it's slightly smaller version. And as you can see here, the word Soundpeats. Soundpeats, here blank, Soundpeats logo. And back here is the Type C cable, the Type C charging. And as you can see, the light is here, green color. Yeah, green color, and the charging port is here. And then yeah, as you can see inside, it says the 600 milliamp hours. So other than that, the stem is quite huge. As you can see, as you can see here, this is the mic that they are proud of, the CVC mic here, and here the dual mic speakers. And yeah, the logo is the way it taps. And yeah, that's all for the first impression. And to be honest, the design of the earbuds is actually smaller compared to the Soundpeats Q. It is just the fact that it is about the slightly smaller than the Soundpeats Q. It's just because the stem is slightly taller, it looks bigger. But in terms of the side wise, it's almost the same. Yeah, that's all for the unboxing. So now we move on to the pairing phase. I will catch you later. Welcome back to the pairing phase. And I have used this for a couple of hours, and it seems like the fingerprint smudges is getting more and more from the earbuds. But anyway, how is the sound like? It is okay, I guess. Nothing too special. It's like neither here neither there, and I can't find a song that is actually nice to hear to these earbuds. But I'm gonna recommend a song which is called Song I Am by Roselia. Yes, I like that song, and you can just check that out in the link in the description down below. Anyway, how does this look? How does the fitting looks like? This is the photo and the controls. It is like the previous episode. It has the standard controls, which is play and pause on a double tap, single tap to volume up and down, triple tap to AI assistant, and press and hold to go previous and next song. Yep, that's all. And what is the conclusion? So my first impression when I listened to it is actually quite okay lah. I don't expect much from this, because for some reason I feel like everything here is big, even though the weight is almost the same as the Soundpeats Mac and also the Truengine 3SE, and it is still lighter than the GamePods Max. But for some reason, my first impression of this is huge and quite bulky. Not sure about how the fitting like. I mean, not sure how it fits in my pocket. It seems okay lah. Okay, but I don't know. So it's nothing much to say about lah. It's really in the middle of nowhere. And yeah, the one of the selling point was that the fact that it has a auto play and pause when you connect to your phone and when you're playing a song. So as you can see, once I take out the earbuds, it immediately pauses. And yeah, for $70 for a average sounding earpiece for a 3020 QCC earbuds is quite disappointing at best lah. So yeah, it's just a bit disappointing because if you like the stem design, it's still okay. I mean, like, it's not as bad as the Soundpeats Mac, which you can see on the previous episode. It's like terrible. But for $70, I would just rather just top up like $5 more to get the Soundpeats Truengine SE, or you can just try get something. If you like the stem design, you can just go for the True Air 2. And pretty much that's it. It has nothing much to go for this year, but other than it has QCC 3020, which the Truengine SE has 3020 as well, and this one has 3040. So I don't know what's so special about this, but that's all. That is just purely my opinion. You may like it, you may not like it, but this thing must be further scrutinized by the latency and also how's the mic test like, which you will see in the next episode, which is called How Fast. Till then, I hope you like this video and subscribe if you want to find out what the mic sounds like in the next episode. And thank you for watching. This is Nash, and I'll catch you all next time. See ya.